Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before starting this video, a brief introduction of this series 44 songs of the English language. In this series, you will learn the 18 consonant sounds, the 3 R controlled vowel sounds, the 5 short vowel sounds, the 6 long vowel sounds, the 7 digraph sounds, the 5 special sounds diphthongs. So today's video is starting with the B sound, the consonant B sound. So let us start today's video. B-U-T but, B-A-B-Y baby, J-O-B job, A-B-O-U-T about, B-E-S-T best, B-A-C-K bag, B-R-I-N-G bring, B-E-E-N bean, B-R-O-T-H-E-R brother, P-R-O-B-L-E-M problem, M-A-Y-B-E maybe, C-A-B cab, B-U-T-T-O-N button, B-R-I-D-G-E bridge, T-U-B-E tube, C-U-B-E cube, P-E-B-B-L-E pebble, R-O-B-E-R-T Robert, C-A-B-I-N cabin, C-Y-B-E-R cyber, B-L-O-O-D blood, F-I-B-E-R fiber, B-O-O-S-T boost, C-L-I-M-B climb, T-O-M-B comb, T-H-U-M-B thumb, R-U-B rub, L-A-B-O-R labor, B-E-A-C-H beach, B-R-U-S-H brush, H-O-B-B-Y hobby, B-O-X box, L-A-B-E-L label, S-H-R-U-B shrub, T-A-B-L-E table, L-A-D-Y-B-U-G ladybug, C-O-B cob, R-O-B rob, B-A-G bag, W-E-B web.